To translate the two-concept search strategy in PubMed, I'll look first at Concept 1, Wound Care. As in CINAHL, I'll do two types of searching, a subject heading search, known here as MESH or medical subject headings, and a keyword search. So in part 1 of the search, I'll look for wound care in the medical subject headings. To do this, select MESH from the drop-down list on the PubMed homepage and type in wound and click on search. I'll select wound healing from the available list. I'll add it to the search builder, which automatically includes all available subheadings, and then click on search PubMed. Now you'll see the search results for search 1 of concept 1. Now I'll do the second search for concept 1. First, I'll delete the previous search, and this time I don't need to go through the thesaurus, so I'll leave the search option as PubMed, and I'll enter my keywords for concept 1, wound care. This is where I enter any synonyms or like terms that are relevant, separated with or, so they are all included. I'll enter each pair of words in quotes to focus the search on each as a phrase, and click search. If I click on Advanced, I can see the two searches for wound care. I'll combine these with or to expand to all available papers relating to this concept. This produces a third search, which is my final search for wound care. I can now move on to concept 2, which is about bed sores. Again, I'll look for a subject heading, add it if it's available, and then do a keyword search. So I'll delete the previous search and search the MESH headings for bed sore. This returns the pressure ulcer entry. I'll add it to the search builder and click on search. Now I'll do a keyword search for this concept. I'll delete the previous search, select PubMed, and enter all the terms relating to pressure ulcer separated with or, and click search. I'll click on Advanced to see the search history and combine the two pressure ulcer searches with or, and click search. Going back again to the search history by clicking on Advanced, I can see the results of concept 1, wound care, and the results of concept 2, pressure ulcer. I'll refine the search by combining these with and I'm brought to my results. To refine further, I could add a third concept, but I'll repeat the CINAHL strategy and limit to the last 10 years. And under article types, I'll select Customize and highlight to display randomized controlled trials. Then click on it to refine to just this study type. I'll click on Advanced to see my search strategy. This can then be exported to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking Download History. And to save the PubMed search and create an email alert, I'll click on the search results and select Create Alert, where I can log into an existing account or create a new one and save my preferences.